Did you know that you could calculate the number of the beast using the book of Revelation? Let's go digging. Alright, so we're in chapter 13, and then verse 18, we're explicitly told to use wisdom to calculate the number of the beast. Now, in the verse before that, we're told that the mark of the beast is the name of the beast and the number of the beast. So here we see the number functioning as a name or a title. Now, what's interesting is that Revelation actually gives us enough textual clues and evidence to solve this number directly using the text itself. Stick with me, stick with me. Alright, so in chapter 11, verse 13, we see a great earthquake take place. And in this great earthquake, a tenth of the city falls and 7,000 people are killed. Remember that, remember that. Now in chapter 9, we see the sixth trumpet is blown, and in this judgment, a third of mankind is killed, and the rest of mankind is unrepentant. What's interesting is that before this, there's a distinction made between those who are not sealed on their forehead, compared to those who are sealed on their foreheads, the specific number of 144,000 people. Whew. Okay, now if you don't like math, don't be intimidated. I'm going to break it down for you. Now what Revelation does is divide humanity into two groups, those who are sealed and those who are not sealed. Those who are sealed are a part of the 144,000. Now you can check out some of my previous videos where I basically explain how the 144,000 represent all the people of God. Remember how I said the number of the beast also functions as the name of the beast? Well, same thing going on here, where we have the number 144,000 functioning as a title for the innumerable multitude of the people of God. Now, of the unsealed population, it says that the sixth trumpet occurred, and in that judgment, a third of mankind is killed, and the rest of mankind does not repent. Now, let me ask you a question. If a third of mankind is killed, and the rest doesn't repent, then what fraction represents the rest? That's right, 2/3. Very good. So what we have is a third of mankind is killed and then 2/3 is left over. And of that remaining 2/3, we now go to the great earthquake judgment. And in that judgment, it says that a tenth of the city falls and 7,000 people are killed, which gives us a ratio. So do you see what just happened here? It gives us a mathematical equation for which we have an unknown initial value and a known final value. That means we can solve for x, which is exactly what I want you to do. Comment below your answer, and in the next video, I'll let you know how you did. See you next time where we'll go digging some more.